But I need my cup back. So can I have my coffee back at the end?
She says she's drinking it for the camera.
Okay, but give it back to me now. Athena, get my coffee. Babe, get my coffee. Athena, stop drinking all my coffee. Babe, get my coffee. You gonna let her drink my coffee? You don't get this coffee?
Hey everybody, and welcome to my weekend vlog. So as you see, we had got some coffee and my daughter stole her dad coffee. But we went to Kroger's. I was on a hunt for some salmon, but I just wasn't feeling these at Kroger's at all, and the prices was too high. But then we found this soda. It's called Dream Flavor. If you guys have not tried it, it is really, really good. Like, I can't even explain what Dream tastes like, but that right there is good. You have to try it. Yeah, sticker?
I saved $1.
Then we stopped at my nephew's football game. He is number 55 and he is on the green team. They did really good. They actually won. This was the first game of the season and I'm very proud of them. Number 55. There he go. He waves. My brother is also a coach on the team, but I don't think I got him. So afterwards we went to Sam's Club and I actually found some salmon, y'all, and it was a good price. I was so excited. But we also got some other stuff that we was not planning on getting when we got in the store. But let me tell you, that autumn squash soup is delicious. Like, if you have a Sam's Club, go get it because it's limited edition. And right here you can just see that I was cleaning out the refrigerator. We had a lot of leftovers and the refrigerator is getting sticky and I hate that. So I went ahead and did that, and I will show you guys the after in a minute. I am using the Microban 24-hour disinfectant cleaning spray to clean the refrigerator. I love that stuff, you guys. I use that stuff for everything. Clean my couch, to clean my counters, the island, the kitchen, the bathroom, everything. So if you haven't tried that, go try the Microban 24 hours. And this is not sponsored, but I mean, if y'all want to sponsor me, just go ahead. So right now I'm stocking the refrigerator with these Zevia sodas. If you follow me on TikTok, and I believe I posted it on my Instagram also, this video kind of went viral a little bit, but I was talking about the kids Zevia. That is the only sodas that my daughter drank, is the Zevia ones, because it is sweetened by stevia, and stevia is not a fake sugar, you guys. It's actually from a plant, and it's basically water, flavored water. Honestly, is nothing bad in these drinks. My husband drank them because he's a diabetic, but really, if we drink sodas, it's Canada Dry, the ginger ale, or Zevia's, or if we want to try something else. But make sure you check that out. And here's the after. I end up moving that shelf down a little bit because I hate it when I gotta lay like the orange juice down or the milk down, and I was like, nah, this needs to stand up. So I moved that shelf down. I didn't record it because my husband and I was having some trouble moving that, and yeah, so it took us a minute. But here's the after. I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. Next time I will be doing a detailed organizing my refrigerator, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Y'all come for me in the comments about this candy corn, y'all. I love candy corn. It's really good. And plus, I mean, if you don't like candy corn, it's only like $1.98 a bag, and you can use it for a simple fall decor if you want to. That's why I put it right there. But don't come for me. Don't come for me. But if you like candy corn, let me know in the comments below. So we went to go pick up my bonus kids for the weekend, and they just wanted Chinese food so bad. So that's what we got. I tried this honey chicken, and it was really good. And my husband got bourbon chicken and egg foo young. I cannot say that word for nothing. But yes, we got that for dinner. And also later on, you can see that I also made chicken pot pie that I got from Sam's Club. And let me tell you, really good. Like I said, go to your Sam's Club. Just go to your Sam's Club. And here goes the chicken pot pie from Sam's Club. Like I said, it's really good. We got Chinese food for dinner because the kids wanted it, and they was also saying they didn't like chicken pot pie. But when they tried this, yes, they had their Chinese food and a chicken pot pie. Really good. Just go to Sam's Club and try it. And right here, I'm doing the kids' laundry. I was washing their blankets, sheets, and pillowcases, stuff like that. Let me know in the comments below how many times a month do you wash your blankets, sheets, and pillowcases. I'm just really interested to see everybody's numbers. I try to do it at least every other weekend, or sometimes I end up washing them every weekend. But let me know in the comments below. I forgot But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and come back. Bye.